This video walks you through on how to hide apps, okay, on iPhone and how to unhide them when you have need for them again. Let's just get right into it. To hide and unhide apps on your iPhone, these are the steps. First is to swipe until you get to the app you want to hide. Okay, so in this case, let's assume that this app named Discord, that I want to hide it. So long press on the app. On long pressing on the app, select require face ID. Then you are provided with some options. You have the option named here, hide and require face ID. Tap on that option. Then place your face. You will see this option, hide a particular app. Okay, in this case is Discord. So it will give you some options here. Just tap on hide app. Okay, tap on that button. And now this app is hidden. What of tomorrow you want to unhide this app? How do you go about it? Once you're on your home screen, alright, start swiping towards the left. Okay, until you get to this app library section, alright, which groups the app you have on your iPhone. Scroll down until you get to this section named hidden. Okay, tap on that hidden. Then your face ID, and now it shows one app that is hidden here. In this case, press and hold on the app and you will see some options. Let's don't require face ID and place your face, and this app will be returned to its usual or previous position. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this platform. Here we cover a lot on technology, YouTube education, and self-publishing. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button so that this platform will push this video to more people, and leave a comment in the comment section, okay? You can check out this video to learn more on how to complete some tasks on iPhone. Thank you and see you some other time.